Today, we're talking about the most important part of van fleet builds. Not the shelving, not the ladder racks, not the drawing units, not the accessories. We're talking, of course, about the van floor. You see, everything in a van fleet build is only as good as what it's built on. And with options out there and ways to describe floors like durable, lightweight, anti-slip, non-slip, composite, rigid, it's hard to know what actually matters. So come with me and we're gonna dive right in. Here at Legend, we've spent nearly 15 years doing one thing really well, building van floors. We manufacture them, design them, test them, and retest them all right here in North America. We keep our lineup simple: good, better, and best. All right, let's start at the top. In our best category, we have StabiliGrip. StabiliGrip is the rigid van floor, the mother of all rigid van floors. Why? Why do fleets choose it? Fleets choose it, number one, for longevity. It has been field proven in vans across all sorts of industries, plumbing, HVAC, and service fleets, and there's a reason why. Anywhere pallets and heavy equipment are constantly being loaded into a van, and the techs need a sure footing, whether their boots are wet or dry, StabiliGrip is the floor of choice. In most applications, StabiliGrip actually outlives the vehicle itself that it's installed in, which makes it less of a purchase and more of an investment. It takes almost anything work vans throw at it. It handles aggressive impacts, resists punctures, and it protects the vehicle structure underneath the floor. That means less downtime, fewer repairs, and stronger resale value when it's time to turn over your fleet. It also is ideal for mounting shelving and accessories, a very solid foundation with consistent installs. This is where the term built on Legend and floor is the core comes from. Its unique composite recipe, reinforced with fiber and other goodies for durability, took years of trial and error just to get the right recipe. Unlike plywood or other cheaper options, StabiliGrip doesn't absorb chemicals or moisture, it just keeps working. Foot to the floor, one of our values. Next up, Eclipse. If you're not a specialized fleet or a custom vehicle manufacturing, you can move right along to the next floor. If not, stick around. Eclipse also lives in our best category. Performance-wise, Eclipse is right up there with StabiliGrip. Where it shines is its customization. Eclipse can be manufactured in a single-piece, continuous floor. It can be made in blue, gray, black, you name it. A one-piece vehicle floor allows for a faster install, lower operational costs, and the ability to design around custom structures like seating, shelving, and other specialized equipment. For most fleets, StabiliGrip should be your first call. But if you're doing something complex with your fleet builds, Eclipse is definitely worth a conversation. It's also much lighter than StabiliGrip, making it especially attractive for EV platforms or where payload is specifically scrutinized. Customization with Eclipse does come at a cost, which is why this floor is usually reserved for specialized fleet applications, but when you need it, nothing else compares. All right, next up, we have BaseAir in our better category. BaseAir, our newest floor, surprises a lot of people. We're sitting right here on a stack of uncut BaseAir. It's got a nice black TPO, which is nice and grippy. Let me tell you about this floor. BaseAir is foldable, ships in one piece, and installs in under 5 minutes. BaseAir is 50% lighter than StabiliGrip, easy on the payload, and a little easier on the budget. That convenience does come with a trade-off. BaseAir isn't designed for constant heavy equipment or aggressive daily abuse like StabiliGrip is. That does not mean, however, that it's fragile. If your fleet is focused on parcel delivery or lighter duty applications, BaseAir delivers speed, simplicity, and value. Here's a long story short about BaseAir. It's very comparable to many other rigid options on the market, but it takes 2 seconds to install, doesn't have awkward speed bumps in between any pieces since it's one piece, and costs a little bit less. Enough said. All right, and last but not least, in our good category, we have Automat, where Legend all started. Automat is our flagship rubber mat, as you can see here. 6 millimeters thick with a checker plate pattern, giving you a good solid grip in your van. That checker plate surface reduces slip, also keeping the floor easy to clean. It's our most affordable flooring solution for van fleets by far, commonly used in rental fleets, last mile delivery fleets, and low impact applications where budget takes priority over maximum protection. Roll it out and it's installed in your van. Fun fact about Automat, we produce it 100% in-house to get these sheets of Automat material here. We then cut it to fit specific vans, and then we get these offcuts, which we grind back up and put right back into production to make more Automats for your vehicles. The right floor is about choosing the one that matches the work your vans and your techs are doing every day on the road. Remember, not all van floors are created equal, so make sure you choose the right one and do your own research. Thank you very much, and stay legendary.